Hello student, in this video I'll cover Infosys previous year aptitude and logical question. So let's start from the first question, and this one actually logical section. First read the question. Which of the following statement would be sufficient to determine the numerical code of rows? So I need to find rows value code. So first the code for rows are read. Here actually peasant rows, not peasant. Here actually roses, not the rose. I love red roses as gift. Rose peasant, not peasant. Here actually roses. So you can't predict. Both statement not along sufficient. Neither one or not two sufficient. And the second question. Identify the next number in the sequence. First of all, the number 134, then 154, then 138, 158. Here actually two series. This one 134, 138 plus 4, and this one plus 4. So this one plus 4 plus 4, and now this plus 4, and now it will be plus 4. Now this one 158, 150, 154, 158, 162, then 166. So the answer should be 166. Moving to the next one, a shopkeeper sell chocolate price at 300. So they given SP. Sales mean SP. Which of the statements sufficient to determine the net profit? For the profit, you should note SP minus CP and total number of items. So it will be give profit. The first you should know SP and CP. The number of chocolates sold. Yes, you need to calculate total profit. And cost price, also cost price need. Here actually mention only SP. So you need both statement. So both statement combined are sufficient for answer. Moving to the fourth question. All girls are fairies. So first, if we take girl, this one. So all girls fairy. So this one, this. And no fairy will cry. So there is a nothing relation between cry. So now choose the option. Some crying things are fairy. No. No girl will cry. Yes. So that is the correct conclusion. All fairy cry. No fairy cry. So it will not follow. Only one option follow. That is B. Third option actually B. Moving to the next one. First, read the question. Numerous regions of the country are facing a critical water shortage and decline in water table level. So, what measures should be implemented to tackle this water crisis? First action, the water supply authority should be promptly arranged to deliver water of the affected area. Yes, that is good. A resident in this region should work to minimize water wastage. Yes, both actually good action. So option both action are sufficient. Moving to the next one. First, read the question and understand. You have two digit number represent x, y. Two digit number means like 10 to 99. You have two digit number. Where x is the first digit and y is the second digit. I can take yx, whatever you have mentioned. Determine which statement is sufficient to find the value. The number is a multiple of 52. So 52 multiply can be 52 also. And the next multiply 104. But I need to take only two digit number. So yes, I can take 52. The statement 1 actually sufficient. Now checking the statement 2. The sum of the digit xy plus 7. X plus y equal to 7. It can be 52. It can be 25, 34 and so on. So this not actually sufficient to answer. The statement 1 alone sufficient. Moving to the next question. Now, same type of question. A group of students line up outside the school cafeteria for lunch. Okay, given of the following statement. What is the position of student A from the left? There are 60 students. If you tell total 60 students, you cannot find any position or any one. The student A is the 12 from the left. Right. Right say 12 है, 12. But you can't predict right से अगर 12th होगा, you can't predict until you know. You need to find from the left, so you should know the all the student. Without knowing you can't. So you need both 60 total student plus this statement. So both statement, and the answer actually 60 minus 12 plus 1. That is your answer. Moving to the next one. Like D4, E5, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be 9. D, E, F, G, H, I. So I9. Your answer should be this one. Moving to the next question. Like 12, then 40, 50. It is increasing one by one. So 12 means 13. The first number is 13. Then M, then which actually will be present? QS. Can you see the difference between QS? Q, R, S. That is one digit, one alphabet. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. If you take M, O, Q, S. So that is your sequence. So it should be O. So 13 O. Moving to the next question. Till now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. And if you are preparing for like Capgemini or L-Time Mind Tree, you can watch my playlist. I have already uploaded video L-Time Mind Tree, Accenture, Capgemini. Now last question of the logical series. Like first 100, then 20, then 80, then 50, then 60, then 80. Here actually two series contain 120. It is defined 20. 20, 50. It is defined actually plus 30. 80, 60 minus 20. 50 minus plus 30. And now 60 minus 20. So it will be 40. So the answer should be 40. So all logical part has done. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now moving to the aptitude. And if you find this channel helpful, do subscribe. Like if Katie is height 20% less than Carol, so I'm taking as Carol height 100, or you can take X also, but I'm taking 100. If Carol is 100, so Katie 20% less mean it should be 80. Then how much परसेंट Carol height is more than Katie? Katie से कितना ज्यादा है? 20 है. Base actually Katie now. Base Katie and 100 में कितना? You need to find the percentage. 2204 and cancel out 25. So the answer should be 25%. Moving to the next question. The child spent 20% of his pocket money. Pocket money कितना money? X. I'm taking as 100. Okay, I'm taking as 100. You can take X also. Already mentioned. On books and 10% travel. So इससे मैंने I have spent total 30% here. 20 plus 30. If I mention 100 से 30% कितना? 30 rupees. So you have left 70. Now he spent 90%. तो इन 70 से 90% स्पेंड करेगा तो कितना स्पेंड? 63. 70 into 90 और 90% स्पेंड किया. 7963. So you left 7 rupees. So 7 rupees left from the beginning 100. You have started 100, left 7. The percentage actually 7%. That is your answer. Now next question. Two train, there is a T1 and T2. Both are train moving in the same direction and the 60 km. When coming to the same direction, you should take relative speed and relative speed. And the relative speed actually 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 actually 30 kilometer per second. That is actually relative speed. And the train are running in the same direction and faster train complete past the slower train 50 seconds. So that should be 30. So we multiply 30 into 50. So I need to convert it 30 kilometer per hour or 30 km per hour. So km per hour actually if you know 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So do multiply. So 30 into 5 by 8 into I need to calculate distance. So distance equal to speed into time. Time actually 50. So do you'll get answer 18. Sorry, not 8. 18. Now calculate. Okay, 6, 3, 5. 3, 5. 5 into 5 into 5. 125. So the distance 125 meter. Moving to the next one. Easy question. X you have given x plus y equal to 12 and y plus z equal to 13. And also x plus z equal to 25. I need to find x plus y plus z. Added both of 3. So you'll get actually 2x plus y plus z equal to 12 plus 30 plus 50, 25. And this one 12 plus 13, 25 plus 25, 50. So x plus y plus z equal to 25. So that is your answer. Actually question level easy to medium, not too much hard. But in Infosys, the coding round is too hard. The coding round question, na? Because I am SP in Infosys, specialist programmer. So I have given coding exam and interview also. So I know properly. I'll make video around the coding also. So first of all, what will be the sum of the first 95 ordered natural number? So here actually have formula. If you find like sum of natural number, it should be n into n plus 1 by 2. And that is sum of the natural number without in all number 1 to n. Sum of. And here actually ordered natural. So ordered natural formula n square formula. So just 95 into 95 multiply, you will get the answer. 25 adds 90. So this one answers. So n square. Your answer is n square. N square is 95. So 95 is square. Your answer. That is actually formula based question. Now missing number in the sequence. If you see the sequence 60, 25, 36. This one actually 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, then 7 square, then 8 square. 8 square means 64. So the answer 64. Moving to the next one. How many 6 in there which is neither followed by even number and preceded by ordered number? First 6 उसका पहले क्या था ordered number, it should not include. Second 6 ordered number and the even number follow, it should not include. This 6 even number, this is ordered even, you can't include. Now this 6 actually followed by the not even number, not ordered number, like even number precede, sorry, preceded by ordered number, no, even number, and followed by the even number, not. So only one option, that is 1 6. You need to count how many 6. Now each interior angle of a polygon is 144 degree. If you know the formula actually, n minus 2 into 180 by n equal to interior angle. And n means side of the polygon. N angle 144. If you solve this, you will get your answer. So I'm trying to solve 180n minus 360 equal to 144n. So 180n minus 144n equal to 360. So 180 minus 360n, 360n equal to 360. So n becomes 10. So that is your answer. Moving to the last, second last. In a class, Ram rank from the top. Top से कितना rank है? Ram actually become 12. And the Ramesh rank from the bottom. Bottom से 27. And take total number of student I am taking is. Find the total number of person in class n. The bottom से 27 करेगा. Like bottom से 27. If I minus 27, n minus 27 plus 1. It should be ranked from the top. So that is n minus 26. Now, if they interchange the position, Ram becomes 80. The Rams now become 80 position, which is actually Ramesh rank from the top. So your equation got you n minus 24 equal to 80. So n equal to 18 plus 26, that is 44. That is your answer. Moving to the next or last question. Total score by Amit and Ons. So I'm taking Amit as X, then Anit as Y, equal to 156. And total marks score Ankit, Anit Y and Shreya, I'm taking as Z, equal to 128. Marks scored by Amit and Shreya. Amit's mean X plus Z, equal to 188. Find the marks scored by the Shreya. Shreya mean I need to find the Z value. Okay. So I'm doing like here actually minus X plus Y equal to 156 and Y plus Z equal to 128. I am minusing this one. So Y will cancel out. So X minus Z equal to 28. Okay. Now X minus, sorry, Z. X minus Z or X plus Z equal to 188 and X minus Z equal to 28. So if you do this one, or you can do another part also, like 2x equal to add it, or better to add or not, I am giving minus 1. So it will become plus, it is become minus. It will become because I need just z value. So 2z equal to, so 120, 188 minus 28, that is become 160. So z equal to 160 by 2. So that is 80. So I need z value. So that is 80. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. And the next lecture, I will make video on verbal ability, pseudocode, and puzzle solving on Infosys. I will make more video also coding solving, and I am SP actually in specialist programmer in Infosys. So, do you have any doubt? You can ask in the comment.